Hi, my name is Anmol Chaudhary and I'm the co-founder and CEO of GSTEdge. At GSTEdge, we are building the next stage technology which increases the ease of doing business by making it simple, fast, accessible and reliable. How is GST different from the previous laws? Well, in the previous regimes, there were three major taxes which were being paid. One was value-added tax, commonly known as VAT, service tax and excise. VAT was being paid by traders, service tax was being paid by professionals and excise by manufacturers. Under GST, all these three have culminated into a single tax, which is the goods and service tax. The fundamental change that this tax brings in is that now you can utilize credits across the board. Hence, your cost of doing business goes down since utilization of credit becomes more freely available to you. For example, if you were a professional and you were availing VAT, you couldn't take the input tax credit of the same and it used to form a part of your business expense. Similarly, for a trader who was paying service tax on the professional services which he was availing, he could not claim the input tax credit of the service tax paid on the same. So now, under the GST regime, taxes and input tax credits can be used across board, cross-functionally, bringing down the cost of doing business. The same goes for a growth startup in your early stages of business when you will be doing activities, whether it's related to buying something or availing services. You'll now be able to claim credit of both of those activities, which will help you reduce your cost and then pass on that benefit to your consumers or your users. The taxes which GST has replaced are service tax, value-added tax, excise, some other taxes related to customs, entertainment tax have been completely replaced by GST. The fundamental difference when it comes to GST is with respect to use of technology when it comes to filing our taxes. All the taxpayers have been taken on board on a single cloud platform where they'll be filing the returns monthly. This allows startups who are in the tech space to use this data to help increase their service offerings to these players. Hence, it's important that startups who are in the technology space use this platform to increase and leverage their existing services, since a lot of the Indian taxpayers who are not that tech savvy will now be requiring their help to file their returns, as well as other value-added services which are being provided by these startups can now be integrated, since a lot of the information which was in a manual format is now going online.